How to post on Reddit from mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can post on Reddit from your mobile app, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to post on Reddit from our mobile application, all we have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Reddit application, right? So once you launch the Reddit app, make sure to sign into your account, and in order to create a post, just tap on the create icon which is at the bottom center of the screen. So basically once you tap on the create icon, you have the option to create a text or status, or you want to add a link or image or video, or you want to create polls, or you want to create some predictions, or you just want to talk. Depending upon whatever type of post you want to create over here, just select them. And then if you want to add an image, you can select image and then just select enable access, and then you can add your images in that way. Or you can simply create a poll if you want. Once done, just tap on the next option, and then you should be able to go ahead and then successfully post it as well. This is simply how you can go ahead and then actually create post on Reddit from mobile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.